Хочешь скинуть несколько килограмм? Мечтаешь о красивой фигуре? Тогда тебе нужен Миостимулятор AB GYMNIC. Сгонять жир, качает мышцы. Сделай заказ прямо сейчас. Переходи по ссылке, не упусти свой шанс.
Hello everybody. Thanks for hearts. And this is main diamond center. We call Bursa. Most of the, I think second in the world diamond center. We in Ramat Gan. 25 degrees Celsius. Hello, hello Flash Tuna. One big construction. How are you? What's up? One big construction city. I'm going to this building. Okay, I will. Thanks for hearts. I will appreciate. Thank you very much. I have to go behind because you see all construction. Beautiful weather, 25 degrees Celsius. I should make it big turn. Look at it. Thank you. Guys, somebody be in Ramat Gan in Tel Aviv, Israel? Look at how many built crane. Look at this. Thanks for hearts. It's very beautiful. Palm tree. Beautiful. I wish this weather gonna be stay forever, but it's gonna be a little colder for a couple of days. Where I can no people? Why? Is people here? Look, see. Thank you everybody. Hello everybody. Hello my replay viewers. It's Tel Aviv, Israel. Very nice, beautiful weather. 25 degrees Celsius. And look what I have. 1 second. Did you see what I get? Microsoft band. А я что, скрываю, что я русская, родилась в России? Yes. Yes, because the jury is busy. It's a lot of people in Tel Aviv and Ramat Gan. Yes, I am a big builder. Thanks for hearts. Thank you very much. Wow, people, what's going on? Just block each other, that's it. Hi, Pete. Да я никого не блокирую, они появляются снова. Пусть люди видят хуиску. Я никого уже давно не блокирую. It doesn't make any sense. I don't block no one. Just block them, that's it. I don't see them. Guys, if somebody disturb you, you can block them, that's it. It's, you know. Where I should go in? Good question. Okay. People, you argue, okay, but just don't kill each other. Fight, block everybody. I don't want my followers have bad mood. I want the people enjoy from my scope. One more construction building. Слиха? It's Jabotinsky Sheva. Dr. Meir Cohen по... Что? Шне? Туда. Yes, very beautiful. 25 degrees speed. 25 degrees, it's Ramat Gan. Okay, I should go here. Okay, guys. One second. Shalom. Ken. 21st floor, Dr. Cohen. Туда. One second. I'm going to the clinic cosmetologist. He's very famous. Oops. How I can go? Range.
I need your ID card. Passport,
Okay, yes, to that zoot, of course. 1 second, guys. Бакши. Туда. I get number. You see? Thanks for hearts. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna say bye. I'm gonna shut my scope down, and I talk to you later. Okay, guys? Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.